Hello, my name is Roger Scheffler and I am Food Safety Specialist at Commercial Food Sanitation. On behalf of the presenting team, I welcome you most cordially to the short course 4, which presents the second module of Hygienic Design is a Choice. Before we get started, I would like to take a brief look back into the content of the first session of Hygienic Design is a Choice. In that short course, we reviewed why hygienic design is important to consider when it comes to food processing equipment. We looked at the hygienic design principles of infrastructure of a food processing plant, and we got familiar with utilities from a food safety perspective. In this second module, we would like you to recognize the importance of pathogen control via hygienic zoning and to get familiar with the equipment design principles. We have divided the part of the equipment design principles in two parts. In the first part, we will cover the equipment design principles 1 to 5, followed by the second part where we review the principles 6 to 10. There are multiple organizations out in the market that promote hygienic design principles for equipment. We have chosen the one from the American Meat Institute, AMI, as an example for this training module. Needless to say, hygienic design is important to the food industry because it is the first step of safe food manufacturing. Allow me to elaborate a bit more on the hygienic design principles. Said before, in this short course video, we are going to review the principles from the North American Meat Institute called NAMI, or sometimes called AMI. These principles are one of the multiple options that are available to use, including EHAC or GMA, Grocery Manufacturers Association, today called CBA, Consumer Brands Association. AMI are recommended to use when it comes to food processing in wet environment, whereas when you process dry food products, then the hygienic design principles of the GMA or CBA will match better. The checklists are pretty much the same and there is no reason to spend too much time on choosing the right one. It is more important to make use of them as it is critical to apply those principles when you want to engineer and design a machine suiting for safe food manufacturing. With that, I would say there is not much more to say than enjoy watching.